Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Home would like to send you critical alerts on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to unlock your phone, you see a pop-up message that Home would like to send you critical alerts. So let's see how can you fix that. You have a simple way. You just have to make a force restart to fix this issue. And to fix that and not to do that, you have to quickly personalize your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly personalize your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to try to remake a force restart. Or you can directly completely turn off the critical alerts for your iPhone by open your settings app. So go for settings app here, and here just scroll down and look for notifications, select that, and here further scroll down and look for home app, select that, and here you will find the critical alerts. You must have to disable critical alerts from here, and once you have disabled, you will not get critical alerts on your home screen after doing or disabling this setting. So in this way, you can easily fix Home would like to send you critical alerts on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.